In this video, you're going to practice applying the quotient of powers exponent rule to word problems. So 11 says the area of a rectangle is 64x to the positive 4 power, y to the 10th. If the length of the rectangle is 2x, y to the third, find the width. So before we were finding the area and we multiplied the length and width, now you know the area and you know the length, you're missing the width. So go back and think of that formula. A equals L times W. If you know the area and you know the length, you would need to find the width by dividing the area by the length. So if I take the width and I take the area and divide it by the length, I can find the width. So I'm going to take 64 x to the 4th, y to the 10th, and we are going to divide it by the length, 2x to the x to the first power and y to the third. So if it's division, you apply the division rule. You are going to divide the coefficients. So 64 divided by 2 is going to be 32. For your variables, you are subtracting your exponents in order from top minus bottom, 4 minus 2 minus 1, and then for y, 10 minus 3. So you simplify your final answer to be 32x to the third, y to the 7th. There are no negative exponents, so you're done here. In the second example, you have the same type of problem. If you're given the area and you have the length or the width, in order to work backwards to find one or the other, you need to divide. So you're going to take 63x to the 5th, y to the 9th, and divide it by 9x to the 4th, y to the 6th. So in this problem, you're going to divide the coefficients. We're looking for W. So 63 divided by 9 is 7. So we should get 7 as a coefficient. X, you're subtracting the exponents, 5 minus 4. And Y, you're subtracting the exponents, 9 minus 6. So your final answer should be 7xy to the third. And we found the width. Now you're going to try a few on your own.